Hello, I'm Dr. Bajaj, a cardiologist in Delhi. I'll tell you how to stay healthy. It's not very difficult. You can be healthy, your arteries can be healthy, and your whole family can be healthy quite easily. The information that you have is not accurate, and what I will tell you will be the best for you. You know that smoking damages your arteries. You know that stress damages your arteries. You know that even the smoke from pollution can damage your arteries. But these are not as important as the food that you eat. The most important reason that people get blockages and all the other diseases which are called diseases of modern lifestyle are diseases that are caused by modern food. As long as human beings were living in the forest and hunting, they were having a diet which did not contain glucose. When we shift our diet to agriculture, the commonest crops are wheat, rice, maize, fruits, sugarcane. These are almost entirely glucose. Even in the Vedas it is written that diabetes is caused by rice and atta, flour. And for 2000 years, everybody was controlling diabetes by reducing wheat, rice and maize. Since 45, there has been a shift on what doctors are taught and what public is being told. They are being told that the problem is cholesterol. What doctors don't understand and you don't understand is that all animals are made of cholesterol. Just as all plants are made of wood. We can't say that the reason why trees are sick is because they are made of wood. In the same way, we should not say that we are getting disease because of cholesterol. We are made of cholesterol. It is the reason why we are alive. Cholesterol is more flexible than wood. That's why animals are able to walk and fly and talk and move, and plants stay in one place all their life. Doctors talk about good cholesterol and bad cholesterol. This is also mischief. You see, HDL and LDL are put inside the blood to keep it clean. Any bacteria, any toxins, any damaged, these pick it up and remove it from the blood before it does harm. So it is meaningless to say that one is good and the other is bad when they are working together to keep the blood clean. Can a tennis player say that the ball is good and the racket is bad? It is meaningless. Why doctors are talking like this? They have to be questioned. And the glucose diseases are practically all the diseases that you are seeing. If anybody in your family has got cancer or heart disease or diabetes or obesity, whether they are becoming blind or whether they are losing their kidneys or knees, if you know that glucose causes toxicity, you can prevent it. The easiest way to be healthy is to follow the way of those who are 90, learn from them. Being a VIP or being very rich or being a doctor or being highly educated is not protecting us. But talking to people who are 90 will, because they have obviously done it right. What glucose does to our arteries is, it is very reactive. It attaches to the artery lining and damages it. The cleaning is done by HDL. It attaches to the HDL and damages the HDL also. So naturally arteries get damaged and then a body will form a clot over the area and cause an attack. This is very simple science. If cells of your body get damaged, they usually die. In cancer, what happens is the cells get damaged, but they start growing if you give them glucose. Glucose is very reactive. It can provide energy even to a damaged cell. So damaged cells will thrive in a glucose diet, just as blind men and lame people and people without kidneys are able to live in a city where they get the right care. If you are taking a forest diet, which is mostly just hunting, You cannot get cancer. Whichever cell gets damaged dies. So, the story is the same for your brain getting glycosylation of the brain cells and becoming old, or your eyes getting cataract because of glycosylation, or your kidneys getting glycosylation of the capsule basement membrane, or your knees getting glycosylation of the cartilage in the knees. Glucose also produces growth. That's why we get tumors, enlargement of prostate, women get fibroid, people put on weight. We were living on forest foods for the first 200,000 generations. We have switched to agriculture, wheat, rice and other glucose-rich foods for 50 generations. We are modern for 50 generations and we get modern diseases for 50 generations. The trick is, just as tobacco and alcohol damage your body, sugar and jaggery also have to be reduced. But oily things, ghee, butter, oil, foods that come from animals, curds, cheese, eggs, these have to be increased. It is not enough for you to believe everything you are told about your health. If the doctor's books is wrong, then the television news will also be wrong. You have to go after the truth. You have to find the truth. It's your health. It's your responsibility to your family because it is their health. You must find out the truth and you must then follow it. Nothing less will work. Thank you.